Hi everyone, this is my short video that I promised you all to go over how to format annotated bibliographies. Now the reason we're not doing this in class is because I think it'll be easier for you to be able to pause it and do the things along with me instead of me trying to get everyone on the same page. You can go back and watch it. If you already know how to do the things I'm doing, you can zoom past it. So I think it'll be helpful. What I did is I made an example annotated bibliography. Hang on, it's on the wrong tab, that's okay. And I haven't formatted it yet, so I'm just gonna format it in real time and talk you through what I'm doing, show you where all those buttons are on Google Drive, because that's where we're all making ours. You probably already know how to do a lot of it, so it should be quick. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, all of it, highlight, change our font type. We talked about this when we did MLA. They always mandate that you do it in Times New Roman, so change the font type to Times New Roman, size to 12. Super easy first step. Next, we want to make sure the whole thing is double spaced. I have no idea where that is on the Google Docs menu. That's okay. I always just click search, and then I just put double, and it comes up. Very easy. You'll see that's how I do the majority of my stuff. This is going to make your paper look long. That's okay, because you're each doing 3, remember? So each person's annotated bibliography entries are probably going to be like 3 pages, 1 page per each one. So title, and you all can just call it annotated bibliography, sports annotated bibliography, whatever, I don't care. Title goes in the center. So we go over here to align, it's at the top. Click center align, put it in the middle. See, this is not too hard. And then there's one final thing that you have to do. This is going to be like a 2-minute video, which is nice. One final thing you have to do, everything that's not that first line is supposed to be a hanging indent, which means that it's 1/2 inch past the left margin. You don't have to go in and click tab on every single one. I think someone recommended in one of my classes, like, why don't I just click tab for every single line? Because it's going to look funny and it's going to take forever. You can just click on, like I do, click help, search, hanging. Then you'll have your indentation options. Click down here where it says special. Click hanging. Make sure that there's a 0.5 here. One time I was doing this and I clicked hanging and I clicked apply and nothing happened because I forgot to make sure that this said 0.5. So pro tip, check that. And then click apply. What that's going to do is not do it the way I wanted it to. So that's funny. You're going to have to there you go. You're probably going to have to like tab a little bit with these first lines of each paragraph so that they are all indented, because you want every single line that's not the very first line of your citation to be indented halfway. So you might have to just, what I clicked was I clicked backspace and I hit tab and it didn't work. And that's okay. There you go. You're probably gonna have to mess around with that because Google Docs is not my favorite thing in the world. But all you gotta do is click around, click backspace a couple times, click tabs a couple times. It'll be okay. If you need help, like you are ready to work on this during class or you want to come to office hours or something, go ahead, let me know. It's not like you just saw, it doesn't take super long. Last thing I want to point out, make sure that you do have 3 separate paragraphs. There are a couple groups I've seen that wrote all of their information in one paragraph. And for some annotated bibliographies, that's okay. But for the way we're doing it, we want 3 separate ones, right? Your summary is here at the top, right under your citation. And here's just kind of a model of how to write the citation. Then you have your summary, then your evaluation, then your commentary. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need help finding some of those buttons, because I feel like I did that a little fast. But otherwise,